Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 3 says solve the following. 3x minus 4 is less than or equal to 11. And so this is an inequality, and the steps to solve an inequality are very similar to the steps to solve an equation. We have to isolate the variable term on one side, the number terms on the other. There is an added extra step in an inequality that if you divide by a negative value or multiply by a negative value, you have to reverse the inequality symbol, or you have to flip over the inequality symbol. So I'm going to look at this problem, 3x minus 4 is less than or equal to 11, and use the equation solving process. If I want to isolate 3x and get it by itself, since both sides are already simplified, I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So negative 4 plus 4 is 0. 0 plus 3x is 3x. And 3x will be less than or equal to 11 plus 4, which is 15. And now I have to make the coefficient on x equal to 1. Similar to what we do in an equation, I'm going to divide both sides by 3. And since it's a positive value I'm dividing by, the inequality symbol will remain the same as less than or equal to. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, or some people say it cancels out, so I'm left with 1x is less than or equal to, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. And so I have x is less than or equal to 5. I can also show this answer graphically on a number line, and I could say I have the number 5, since that's what I'm interested in. Since it's less than or equal to, the equal to part says I'm going to use a closed-in circle, and I want all the values that are less. So all the values that are less would be graphed to the left. And so my answer, x is less than or equal to 5 in algebraic form, and I can show the answer x is less than or equal to 5 on a graph in the number line.